In this video, I'm going to teach you how to change picture mode on Samsung and LG Smart TV, as well as the best settings for there. So as you can see, we have in here the article for the best picture settings for your TV. So we have in here the recommended picture mode settings. You can adjust this by going to settings, all settings, and picture settings. We have in here the mode which is backlight and OLED with the natural light of 100, artificial light of 80, and darkroom of 80. You can also adjust right here the contrast for it, the brightness, sharpness, color, and tint as well. We have right here three options such as natural light, artificial, and darkroom. So you can just proceed to choose right here the settings that we have right there in order to achieve everything that we have actually set forth for this one. So once you have those, you should be able to do so and you can now have the best picture settings for your device. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.